Once upon a time, in a charming village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived three mischievous brothers named Sammy, Billy, and Tommy. These three little rascals were known throughout the town for their adventurous spirits and the trouble they often found themselves in. One breezy evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, the brothers were huddled under their cozy blankets, eagerly awaiting a bedtime story from their grandmother, Granny Rose. Granny Rose, a wise and gentle soul, looked at the mischievous trio and began.
Once upon a time, in a land filled with laughter and curiosity, there were three brothers just like you, Sammy, Billy, and Tommy.
The boy's eyes widened with excitement as Granny Rose continued her tale.
Now, these three brothers were known for their mischievous adventures. They climbed trees they weren't supposed to, painted the neighbor's cat with colorful stripes, and even turned the town square into a sea of bubbles with a mischievous bubble bath mishap.
As Granny Rose spoke, the mischievous brothers exchanged grins, remembering their own antics.
But
Granny Rose continued.
One magical night, something extraordinary happened. The mischievous trio stumbled upon a mysterious glowing pathway in the woods. Unable to resist the allure of the unknown, they decided to follow it. The pathway led them to a clearing where a gentle, silver-haired owl named Luna awaited. Luna, the guardian of dreams, spoke to the brothers in a soft and soothing voice.
Dear ones, your mischievous hearts are full of curiosity and wonder. But remember, the magic you seek is not always found in trouble. It's hidden in the beauty of dreams and the kindness you share with others.
In that enchanted clearing, under the watchful gaze of Luna, the brothers learned that there was a time for mischief and a time for dreams. From that night forward, Sammy, Billy, and Tommy discovered the joy of exploring the world through stories, imagination, and acts of kindness.
Granny Rose concluded the tale with a warm smile.
And so, my dear ones, every night when the moon graces the sky, remember the magical lesson of the mischievous trio. Embrace the wonders of dreams and the enchantment of kindness.
With that, Granny Rose kissed each mischievous forehead, and the three brothers drifted off to sleep, their dreams filled with silver pathways, wise owls, and the gentle magic of a bedtime story that reminded them of the beauty in both mischief and dreams.